The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann is a bold revival of an iconic name, blending classic heritage with modern innovation. Designed as a sleek, stylish coupe with electric power at its core, this vehicle is Volkswagen's latest step toward a sustainable yet emotionally engaging driving experience. Drawing inspiration from the legendary Karmann Ghia, the 2025 Karmann brings back the elegance and sophistication that once defined mid-century automotive excellence while infusing it with 21st-century technology. The exterior of the 2025 Karmann is a stunning fusion of vintage aesthetics and contemporary design. Volkswagen has carefully sculpted the body to reflect the smooth curves and aerodynamic lines that made the original Karmann Ghia a favorite among car enthusiasts. However, modern materials and advanced aerodynamics have been employed to enhance efficiency and performance. The front fascia features slim, LED matrix headlights that seamlessly integrate into a clean, minimalist grille, emphasizing the car's electric nature. A low, sweeping roofline extends to a fastback-style rear, giving the Karmann a sense of motion even when stationary. The flush door handles, active aero elements, and lightweight alloy wheels contribute to both style and function, ensuring an optimal balance between beauty and performance. Volkswagen has built the 2025 Karmann on its cutting-edge SSP scalable systems platform, the next-generation EV architecture that allows for improved battery efficiency, faster charging, and a dynamic driving experience. The vehicle comes equipped with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering an estimated 400 horsepower. This allows the Karmann to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds, rivaling many sports cars while maintaining an effortless, smooth ride. The battery pack, strategically placed beneath the cabin for a low center of gravity, offers a range of approximately 350 miles on a single charge. Advanced regenerative braking technology enhances energy recovery, making the vehicle more efficient for urban and long-distance driving alike. Inside, the 2025 VW Karmann is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. Volkswagen has combined premium materials with a driver-focused layout, ensuring that every touchpoint feels both sophisticated and intuitive. Sustainable, high-quality materials, such as recycled leather alternatives and responsibly sourced wood trims, create an eco-friendly yet upscale ambiance. The cockpit is dominated by a curved OLED display that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. A next-generation AI-driven user interface allows drivers to interact with the car through voice commands and gesture controls, making every function easily accessible without distraction. The seating arrangement offers a perfect blend of comfort and sportiness. The front bucket seats are ergonomically designed with adjustable lumbar support and heating, cooling, and massage functions. The rear seats, though sculpted for a coupe-style experience, provide ample space for passengers, ensuring that long journeys remain comfortable. Ambient lighting, customizable in multiple colors, enhances the cabin's modern feel, while an immersive 16-speaker Harman Kardon audio system delivers a premium sound experience. Volkswagen has also focused heavily on safety and driver assistance technologies in the 2025 Karmann. The car is equipped with Volkswagen's latest IQ to Drive suite, featuring advanced semi-autonomous capabilities. Adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and predictive pedestrian detection work seamlessly to enhance safety and convenience. The vehicle also boasts a new AI-powered hazard prediction system that analyzes real-time data to anticipate potential risks and alert the driver accordingly. A 360-degree camera system and augmented reality head-up display provide an added layer of situational awareness, making city driving and highway cruising more intuitive and secure. Charging the 2025 VW Karmann is designed to be as effortless as driving it. With support for ultra-fast 350 kW DC charging, the battery can be replenished from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes, making long road trips more practical than ever. Additionally, Volkswagen's bi-directional charging technology allows the Karmann to act as an energy source, enabling vehicle-to-home and vehicle-to-grid capabilities. This means owners can use their car to power their home during outages, or even sell excess energy back to the grid, further integrating sustainability into daily life. Driving enthusiasts will appreciate the car's dynamic handling, achieved through an adaptive suspension system that continuously adjusts to road conditions and driving style. The variable ratio steering offers precise control, while the low weight distribution and sport-tuned chassis provide an engaging experience. Behind the wheel, Volkswagen has ensured that, despite being an electric vehicle, the Karmann retains an emotional